Hey guys, Sean Thrasher here with RCD here in Medina, Ohio. This just literally pulled in, and the new decor on the Salem Cruise Lights is just, to me, it's just out fantastic, and I wanted to show you and give you the first look. I want to kind of point some new features on this one, just on the outside in the sports band here. So we do have the new LED lighting on the outside and up through the awning as well. JBL speakers, of course your outside griddle, and the new decor, the new color on the outside. Of course, you already know you can hang the TV on the outside here, but it's kind of nice for the young kids sitting around watching cartoons before bedtime. Okay, so we're in the new decor on the 263. I kind of wanted to show you some of the new look, just kind of point it out to you, the new chocolate decor look here. The bamboo curtains. Of course, you know, the storage here with the totes on all over, 3 here, 1 here, and 1 there. I love the new accent lighting on these, and you do have it of course up on top, and I absolutely love the new light strips. It really brings it to a modern color, the modern look. I mean, everything looks fantastic here. Of course, you already know the pantry. They always do a fantastic job on the pantries here. And don't worry about it if you're really nervous, where's my microwave, because I don't use the oven. Heck, it's right here behind the top. Kind of gets it out of the way and still gives that barn look, that new feeling high-end look. Here's one feature that I know everybody's been asking for, and they finally gave it to us, is that bigger window right here on the kitchen side. If you recall, usually it's half of this going this way, and every time you want to see if your kids are out there, everybody's okay, everybody's having a good time, you have to do this. Now it's great, you can just look right out. Such a big window here. It brings so much light into your counter space that you have here. The spice rack here, of course. Again, your oven. Your 12-volt refrigerator. Of course, it's just running off the solar panel right now. Love the new colors here in the 263. And let's go ahead and check out the back. All right, check out, as you already know, the double wide bunks. This year they actually did the USB and this USB-C. 2 different ports here. Lights cover, and you got another lights down here. Nice little port for the little one. Let's check out the bathroom. And it's checking out the new design of the bathroom here. Has that accent light behind the mirror. I think it looks fantastic, actually. The bigger bathroom with the big shower and a toilet space there. Just to prove to you how spacious this area is, you got your shower here. Plenty of butt room. Has a nice curve here to give you that extra space on the side. And I'm a tall guy, so it's perfect for me. My head's not hitting the wall. Don't worry, guys. We got you covered. You absolutely have enough space here for your knees. Your knees are not going to be touching any kind of cabinets or anything in the way while you're sitting there in the morning. Also wanted to show you this new design that they did here. It really looks sharp to me. It kind of reminds me of a nice hotel room, actually. It's a high-end loft area. It has that new design on the counter space here. Again, of course, that's going to work off your electric. You can have it on just for the decor, or actually use it for heat in the fall. That's the best time to go camping, in my opinion. You do have a little space underneath here, CD, stuff like that. You do have some nice shelving here as well, and I like how they really designed this. This is a really great looking new design, in my opinion. Now moving into the bedroom here. If you take a look onto the right there, it's nice how they listen to you guys. Once again, they actually have a step going into the bed, because the bed sometimes can be a little high. The nice look, now they have the cabinets over here to the left of the bed as well. Nice shelving over there. You do have USB ports, outlets as well. And don't forget this, guys, you're still getting your versatile in this with your custom king by 66 by 78 size bed. This kind of gives you the room for maybe changing in here. You need a little more butt room to move around. You can sit up and read a book or watch TV in the evening. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, here Sean with RCD here in Medina, Ohio. I just wanted to kind of give you a quick look on the new decor, the new look of the Salem Cruise Lite 263BHXL. This is a great new design. Come down, ask for me, and check it on out.